So, a little while back, I did a deal on a vino where you had to buy $15 or more to receive a $5 Catalina, or you could have done $30 or more to receive a $30 Catalina. Now, I only spent 19.96 or something like that, so I clearly qualified for the $5 Catalina. Unfortunately, at checkout, it did not print. So, I had to go submit to the Catalina company, and I want to show you what I did. So guys, my Catalina did not print for the Aveeno, unfortunately. So I am going to submit a request to the Catalina company. Now, I always get this question, what do I do if the Catalina does not print? Now, there are a couple of options you can do. You could go to customer service, let them know, especially if you can show them the coupon. So if you have the printed off coupon, that they printed that says exactly the details, they may give you cash back. I've definitely done that before, but to be honest with you, it is not Kroger's responsibility to refund Catalinas. That is through the Catalina company. Now, I will link in the description box below where you need to go to load all your information. But some things that you're going to need is you're going to need your receipt and all the information on it, as well as your Kroger card number, and then the details to the promotion that you're looking to be refunded for. So I'm going to scroll down here. Now, I'm not going to fill this all out for you just so I don't have my personal information out there, but obviously you would put in your first name, last name, email address, mailing address, all those good things, and so they know where to send your Catalina. Then you also want to include the date that you shopped. So did you shop? Today is the day that I actually grabbed this, so I'm going to go ahead and click on that. You can obviously change the date to be there. Now, one quick note, when I first started couponing and you'd have to request information from the Catalina company, you usually had 14 days to do it. Then it was down to 7 days. The last time I checked, we are down to 3 days or 72 hours from the purchase date and time. So after that 4th day, they will not accept a request to be reimbursed. So do take note that you do not have a lot of time to sit on this receipt. You're going to have to submit it right away. So like I said, make sure you have all of your personal information as well as the purchase date. This is the loyalty frequent shopper card number. So this is the Kroger card number that you're going to have to put in. Again, I'm just leaving my stuff off. And also, you're going to put in where you said you went shopping. So I went shopping at the Kroger Marketplace on Mall Road in Florence, Kentucky. And once I click on that, all the information goes in. Now, this is the part where you need to make sure you tell exactly what you are looking for. So what is the name of the offer or promotion? Be very specific if you can. I was only getting one print and I was expecting $5. Now, in the additional info, I would again put as much information as possible into this. So if you know the exact promotion, put it all in there. So the last time I actually submitted was for the candy receipt. If you remember, we just did the Halloween candy a week ago. I did not get my Catalina, so I had to put it in. They did email me and said, we don't know what promotion you're talking about. So I had to send them more information, and they are reimbursing me. They are going to mail me the Catalina that I was supposed to receive. So I'm still waiting on that to come in. It does take a while to get it. No worries though. When it does come through the mail, it'll give you a long enough expiration date that you'll have plenty of time to use it. But any other information you can give them is very important. So it is a spend deal. You're going to spend 15 to $29.99, get a $5 cat, or spend 30 plus, get a $10 cat. Those are the details that we know. course, it'd be helpful if I can spell spend. And the other thing is they're going to ask that you upload your receipt. So take a picture of your receipt. If you have to take it in several different sections, you can do that. If you can get it all in one, that would be ideal so they know that it's all on one. And then also, if you do happen to have the picture of the actual promotion, that would be very helpful too. It'll help take care of things because they'll know that you are actually expecting to get a certain Catalina back. At the end, you're going to click I agree, and then you can hit submit. Now, I will do that once I finish filling all this information out, but it's that simple. Now, they will usually send you an email letting you know whether or not they are going to accept your request or if they need more information. Like I said, with the candy deal that I did a week ago, I actually was denied initially because they didn't have enough information. I emailed them. I actually emailed them the picture of the promotion, and they then wrote back and told me that they would be sending me my refund, or basically another Catalina. So again, this is the way you are able to request for that Catalina. Just make sure you have your receipt, you know your loyalty card number, and you have all this information. The more information you have, the better off you are in order to get your money back. So guys, check out what we have here. The Catalina company does send it back. So as you can see, I submitted for a Catalina and they did send it back to me. So let me open up and show you what you've got inside. So here's the letter. Dear valued customer, on behalf of the Catalina Marketing, we would like to extend our sincere apology for the fact that you did not receive a coupon while visiting your local retailer. Our retailers' customers are our customers as well, and our number one objective is to ensure that you are satisfied. Enclosed, please find the coupon that you should have received at the store. There is often a limit of one reward coupon per offer. Please note you must redeem as soon as possible or you may lose the ability to redeem this offer. So you do need to check out your expiration date on it. Again, please accept our sincere apology. We regret any inconvenience this may have caused you. Sincerely, Catalina Support. Note, if you submitted one receipt with 2 or more items for which you are requesting coupon, your coupons may be mailed to you separately. So do take note of that if you are doing multiples. But here it is. This is what came in the mail. Save $5 on the Aveeno. That's what I was hoping to get there. And yeah, simple. It took a couple of days. Within a week, I have this in my possession from when I submitted. So really simple, easy. You can head to the store, use it just like on anything. It doesn't have to be on Aveeno or anything specific. So super easy.